Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher access panel. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new access panel. The access panel covers the components at the bottom of the dishwasher and helps dampen the noise. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to go to the bottom of the machine and use a 1/4-inch nut driver to take out the screws. Once you have the screws out, we can pull the access panel off. Just reach underneath and make sure all the insulation comes with it. Turn it and pull it out. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old access panel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. The new access panel doesn't come with the insulation, so we'll have to swap that over to the new one. The insulation is held on with some pretty sticky glue, but if you can get it started and slowly pull it back and off, you can use a razor blade to help remove it, and you may be able to reuse most of it. But if you can't, you'll have to add some regular adhesive. Once you have the insulation off, we can set it aside. And we have to take the service manual off so we can put it onto the new panel. Since the manufacturer didn't pull the paper off of this half, we're just going to pull that off and then turn this over and stick it back on. Once you have it in place, we can put the insulation on. We're just going to run a bead of adhesive across here. To put the insulation on, you just want to center it on the access panel and then make sure that the bottom corner of the insulation goes into the bottom lip of the access panel. Once you have it in place, you just want to let the glue dry. Once the glue is dry, we can put the access panel in. Just want to lay it down and compress the insulation a little bit. Make sure it goes underneath and doesn't get jammed up in there. Once you have it in place, we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screws in. Once you have it back on, we can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.